up, you guys? It is your girl Rob, and welcome back to my channel. I have this app on my phone called Picture This. Let me go to it. So once you download it and you click on it, you can upload your plants like I have. So I will be looking at my phone because I'm not sure of some of the names of the plants I have. First plant that I have is this plant. It is a mountain lily. I keep the tags on my pots so I can remember my plants. I had this one on the inside and it started like getting brown and stuff, so I thought it was dying, and so I ended up putting it outside and it came back to life. So this plant needs sunlight. So the next plant that I have is called the Desert Rose, and she looks like this. So she usually will blossom some flowers, but I guess it's not her time to shine yet. I keep this baby outside as well. This was another plant that I thought was dying, came back to life once it was outside. This one right here, she is so cute. I keep her outside as well. So the plants that you have on the outside, you want to make sure you keep them outside. But if you have to bring them in, you want to make sure you clean them, because plants from outside can have like ants or any other kind of gnats or insects on them, and you don't want them to get on your indoor plants. Now, the plants that I'm going to show you now are my indoor plants. Now, I do not need my app for this. This is a snake plant. She is very tall. As you can see, she can barely fit in the frame. So she is my new baby, and I adopted her from someone else, and she has been great since then. Next, we have my favorite of them all. This is the string cheese. I got her from Trader Joe's. I recently purchased her, I think last week. And I have these little yellow things in my plant from Amazon, and just to keep like gnats and stuff away from my plant. She's beautiful. I can't wait till she grows tall. Next, we have the ZZ plant. I got this one from Home Depot. I still got the tag on here. And this is one of my favorites because it's easy. I don't do nothing to this bad boy. And as you can see, it has grown a lot since I have gotten this plant. I will post a before right here so you can see. But I definitely recommend this as one of your top indoor houseplants for beginners. Like, she's easy. This is a golden pothos. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but y'all can read. I have 3 of these in this vase. I got this baby from Home Depot. She is an exotic plant, white jewels. She's cute. I haven't really seen much growth from her. I'm not sure if this is a slow growing plant, but so far she's alive. She's not dead yet, but this is my baby. Next, we have this. I'll put the name at the bottom so you'll see what kind of plant this is. My app called this a corn plant. I don't think this is a corn plant, but she's another one that's slowly growing as well. Haven't seen much difference with her. She's pretty much just staying alive and looking cute like her mother. Now, this next plant that I'm gonna show you hasn't grown yet. I am in this Facebook group that's about plants. I recommend you to do that as well if you're a beginner, because there's a lot of questions and things you do not know. Trust me, go to Facebook and get in one of those groups. But this is a sweet potato. I am trying to grow roots. This is day 3 and nothing has happened yet. But if you want to know what's going to happen, I suggest you to like go to Google, and you can just see the vines that sweet potato plants produce. I will upload a picture right here. But I can't wait to see and have her growing so I can have a sweet potato plant. Now you guys, these are all my indoor and outdoor plants that I have. I had a few more that unfortunately passed away. I had the string of pearls. I had the majestic palms. I can't think if I had any other plants that I had when I first moved and that has died now. If I do, I'm gonna post them right here. But you guys, if you have any questions regarding the plants that I have or where I got them from, or you know, how do I keep up with them, comment down below. Download that Picture This app and you could just take a picture of your plants, and for the most part they have been accurate. They'll give you a description of what type of plant it is, how much you need to water it, all the good stuff about your plants. Make sure you join Facebook groups so you can get all the deets about plants that you do and don't have. And you guys, this is the end of my video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow all my social medias, and peace.